Fantastic. Good. Always doing consistency. Nice, beautiful waterfalls there. We're going to keep putting in work. And any downtown Detroit, Michigan, downtown Los Angeles, California, downtown Houston, Texas, they have areas like this where people are indulging, shopping, people are walking because it's very hot today in North America. Turn on your right turn signal, brother. There's a man on the scooter. Have a complete stop. Good. Roll forward. It's called showing the car. Always look. Good. Go in slow. I want to see a good hand over hand turn. Nice. You cut it a little short. You got a little curvature. You got to go around again. You're just cutting your turn too short. Go out a little further. After you stop, make a right. But the angles are getting better. And this is what your instructor should be. Patient, kind, educating you. Turn on your right blinker. Check. I like your stops. Roll forward. Nice. Turn slow. I like it. Not yet. Now turn out. Good angle. It's American pride. Good job. Yep. Turn on your blinker. And in your mind, think of a car, pedestrians, always be ready. And you know, like a video game, we're looking for shadows, people walking, cars. And this will prepare you because this is one of the toughest turns on the course. That is a nice job. Roll forward. Not yet. Now turn. Smooth and short. There you go. Yes, sir. Hey, nice job. Turn out. You're getting better. I need you to go around again to develop muscle memory.